Did you kill your mother?
Me? How? No, how? Emeka, how could you lay false accusation on me? How?
How is it a false accusation? Didn't you kill our mother?
When?
When? How? Ugochukwu, when I was calling you when our mother was sick, did you pick my call?
No, why should I pick your call?
I know what I passed through in the city looking for you. Because you think we do not have tears.
When you treated me like an outcast, insulted me and threw me out.
Why would I not treat you? Why shouldn't I treat you like an outcast? When you were abroad, what did you do to me? Or what did you do for me? Midas, nah. You would have sent me money if you wanted me to build a house. Konkosa, Ijego.
Hey! How do you see any everybody go once? My brother. Everyone asking that you get the money. Anyasa, your eyes on the cord.
Focus on the cord so that you will not miss your target, because you know the person dishing out the sound, his eyes and his hands are on the cord. You understand?
I like to dance.
You see all the fishes where they chop for egusi and ogbonora, and the ones where lose guard inside water. Focus is the word. Eyes on the cord, because when someone is playing, when the music is sounding, the player does not need to listen to the song because he is dishing hot sound from his cord, so he just concentrates on the cord so that he will not lose guard. So when you get to abroad, go lose guard. No
problem. Mama, I'll be going
now. When you get there, you have to be very careful.
Okay.
Do not let anything distract you.
It's okay, Mama.
I pray you go and come back in peace.
Amen.
God will continue to guide and protect you.
Maybe before, by the time you're back, I know go more.
So my elders, that's exactly what happened. He refused me doing what I promised that I'm going to do. He refused.
Emeka, is it true? Why? Why?
No, ask him. Why? Ask him. He should talk.
Why will you throw your brother out? Why?
No, ask him. Ask him, my elder. Ask him.
Are you the first son?
Ask him.
How he came back and told me that he wanted to build in Obi.
Okay, forgive. Don't worry.
He wanted to build in Obi. How can he build in Obi? Is he the first son? Stupid boy. My elders, let me ask one simple question. I am the elder brother. Am I not entitled? Am I not the owner of the Obi? I am the owner of the Obi. So why is he dragging the Obi with me? Brother. He gave me Onyame. My checkpoint. If you go see in 1 milligota. Stupid boy. He came and started dragging Obi with me. How? And I mean, one name working so bro. Can I back kilometer at the Meru on Azobi? Ozorobi. If I didn't shoot you, call me a bastard. You were able. Do you have a boy? Oh, Sergeant can make my boy, idiot. Then this little boy. I was the one who sponsored your movement from kindergarten.
I sense some powers. I don't know where it is coming from.
I sense something too. But what do we do?
I will go and consult Achikbo. Yes.
That's the best thing.
Yes. It's a good idea.
Good idea, but what time are we going to go? Wait. I feel that someone is under a spell.
Yes.
That's truth. That's a good idea. As for seeing him, I will consult him by the day after tomorrow.
Very fine then.
That's the best thing. That's it.
Idiot! Motherfucker! Nyala! So you went and reported me to the elders that I used to map for ritual. Me? Who go to? Eh?
Are you not a ritualist?
Me? You're a ritualist. I'll go again, man. You're listening to your brother, right?
Don't even mention my name there. Don't mention my name.
Forget. You are a ritualist. Don't call me names.
Listen to me. Also,
brother, don't call me names.
Also, give a
okay, forget me again. Eh? Call me that name again.
You see your evil deeds.
Forget me again.
Your evil deeds will haunt you.
Brother, take time. Take time. Be careful with me. Be careful. Anyway, I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know what to do to you. Brother, okay, be careful. Be careful. Okay, you see so. Okay, forget. You see so. I know what to do to you. Rush me again. Brother. Hey, be careful. Why are you running? I thought you wanted to fight. You wanted to fight. Little boy. Because since you're that's why you do not have respect. You do not have respect. Don't more guy check no so. Hey! Don't more Anna. Ajakanji. Let this boy not succeed. Let him not succeed in his life. Because no passport only have for no restaurant. Whenever you go.
The world is evil. Who is the one behind the evil? The heart of man is full of wickedness. Keep doing good.
Have you seen this little boy in Toronto? He's coming to challenge me.
Don't worry.
Hey!
God Almighty must surely punish him. God must judge him for all his evil deeds towards you. He only wants to suppress you.
Suppress me? How?
I'm
Eh? You can imagine. Do you know this boy wanted to raise me? Raise as in
I saw when he was trying to strangulate you. I hope he didn't wound you.
I am your father. I represent your father.
Already. Water has carried him.
Adak, did you hear what I heard today? That boy that wants to marry your sister just lost his mother today.
Whoa. Well, that's bad news, oh.
Very bad news.
Hey.
And I hear she suffered cancer of the blood.
Hey. Why do poor people suffer sickness that is bigger than them?
Yeah.
Cancer of the blood, that's leukemia.
That's leukemia. Hey. I don't know if it's from the environment where they live.
Hey, Papa, I feel for them.
It's too terrible.
Ah.
Too terrible. Too bad. Very bad.
No wonder a wise man said that problem no dey finish. What kind of life is this? I wish I can just run away. But they will say I killed my mother.
My world is full of sorrow. My world is full of pity. My world is full of agony.
arụsị obodo anyị otu titi mkpasa na-ebu ọgịnị dị gaga n'ogwe anụ kpọrọ nkụ na-eji ọnụ ekele m gị akwa ozi ziri m ka nna eji ibu n'ụlọ ka nna alụ There is nothing wrong with the two brothers, just that one person is under a spell.
Yes, I sense that, wise one. Then, what do we do?
Ọ jụkwara m ihe ọ ga-eme ka o wee gboo mkpa. Ọ gịnị? Gwa m ihe m ga-agwa ya. I will give you a powder substance which you will blow in the air. Everything will be okay.
Oh, thank you, wise one.
Oh, arụnsị. Egwala m ihe isi m gwa ya. Okirikiri ka ọma. Oh! Arụnsị obodo anyị.
From my consultation with Atipo, I have found out that Ugo here is not a ritualist. He did not make ill-gotten wealth.
Eh? Uncle, he has started giving you money. Imezugo. Mezugo ngoko ye. Imezugo.
However, there's hidden evil within the family. Even you can afford Jebe! Ilu!
What did I do to you now? Why are you flogging me? Did I touch you? Say, why am I flogging? Did you touch me? Hi! Hey! Mama! Please, oh! Please, please! I'm not check. Please, please! Ay! Look at me! Ay! Ay! Mama! Ay! I'm so tired! Mama! I'm not check! Hey! Mama! I'm not check! Mama! Mama, please, I'll confess! Oh, please, Mama! Mama! Please, I'll confess! Mama! Mama! Yes, Mama! I was the person that told him not to allow his brother build anything on this land.
Brother, I will bring down this house. You understand? Now expand it. You know, at least pillar. One pillar there, one here, one there. You know, it's going to be very big, a very big mansion I want to put here. What do you think? You know, borehole somewhere there.
Okay.
You know, then.
Look at the way you are demonstrating. I will put one here, one them. And I was the contractor, and I was the messing.
Because I know the kind of thing I want to do.
Well, sure.
You understand?
Sure.
I've seen a lot of houses out there.
Okay.
So I want to make it right.
Oh God.
You know, they're happy.
Oh, I can see.
Right.
Well, one knows now. You have gone abroad and then came back with money. And we're going to
have a borehole there.
Okay.
A borehole there.
Oh, okay.
You know, make it, raise it up a bit. I'll give you this thing here.
Yeah.
We take it out, okay? I don't want this thing here.
No more.
Okay?
No more.
Like 2 tanks. 2 tank. It's big one.
If I do
see at the mansion, you know, now your room, you buy a shower in Asar.
Wow.
You know, with
Wow.
hot water.
Wow.
You know.
Okay, man. What happened?
Oh, Messi, Messi.
Aha.
Let me go and do 1 or 2 things inside town. I'll see you when I come.
You
take care. Send me your account number.
You want pass.
And yellow one.
Bro, don't
forget to send me your account number, eh? It is awful, yeah? We yellow one.
Okay, my daughter. You need to be careful.
Mama, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead.
Mama, I want to be in charge of my home. I want whatever I tell my husband to be final.
But why? I say, money borrow my daughter. Ini nreba na-eme ichoka na pugi hegi. Naya, you are my only daughter. And I wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Neither do I want someone to take away something that belongs to you. I have to protect you as my daughter. There is a place I will take you to. Nanke Onyineba. By the time we get there, he will make something for you. By the time you come back here and mix it and give to him. Whatever you say, you hold him, whatever you say.
Mama, that is the spirit.
You want to play?
I will not let anyone take away what
belongs.
Not
at all. You know I'm your mother.
Not even in this house.
I can't sit down and watch you. Think about what belongs to you.
I can't wait for it.
Usege, we are going to Ginima. Let's go. Let's go.
When you go home, take it and look at him. It is done.
Just like that.
Just like that. That's all. Just like that.
My brother was just talking about building here so that...
Ameka, you've lost your senses. No, I can say you've sold it to your ancestors. Don't you know that the moment he builds anything on this land, it becomes his? Forever. He will claim your birthright. If you're birthright, okay, he's been claiming a gendered boy, a broad boy. When he was there, what did he do for you? How much did he send to you? And you are looking this hungry. And you are looking like a slave not buying in a village. And I'm still trekking on the road. You can't even afford a good car for me. You don't even have a car of your own. Do you have bicycle or Okada? Are you mad? Listen to me. As your warrior wife, I will never let you go astray. So what I am saying is, repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
I will never let anyone build anything on this house.
I will never let anyone build anything on this land.
Say it again.
Say it again.
I said repeat after me.
I said repeat after me.
I will never let anyone build anything on this land. Bam.
Bam.
So use your senses.
Ameka. Okay, we are done repeating. I'm sorry, I didn't know. One of my wife.
You are nothing but an idiot at all.
But she's right though. Yeah. Mba, you are not going to build anything on this land. I am the first son. If you try it, you will run near Lacho Ofe. Moabodogu, Gabalogu na Dikeh na Bantika na Baji. Momo Wakoko Itoyozu no Zongori Anonu.
Jesus! I don't. I will confess, I'm talking. Mama, please. Leave that back, Mama. Mama, because I know. Mama. Hey, Mama. I didn't mean it that well. Amuche! Mama, yes, I gave him love potion. Hey! I gave him love potion. I was the person that told him to go and tell the elders council. They should banish him away. Amuche!
So you caused all this to my brothers, Amuche?
I didn't mean it that way because I'm forgiving. Mama, one day walk.
Amuche!
Amuche! Amuche! Amuche! Brother! Hey! Jesus!
Hey, go. Listen, what happened? Nine. Go. What are we doing here? No, I'm okay. Has anything been the problem? Go. Why is everybody looking at me like this is Boba me? Eh?
Welcome back.
Are you okay? I'm okay. What are we doing here? Go in our church.
You were under a spell.
Spell what? Nah. Go one them. Nah, I can't be Jesus. Nah.
Hey, I'm so happy. Seeing these two brothers tonight.
Hey! No, man, go on. Okay, this that. It's gonna tell me what neighbor wine. Can't get it. You want where? Look what?
It's your wife.
What happened?
Okay, we were at home. Suddenly, she started shouting, her heart, and she started confessing that she gave you love potion.
What?
And after her confession, she slept.
What?
I think she's dead.
Dead? What? Are you serious?
I'm serious.
What is keeping them now?
Don't worry. You're supposed to be here. Don't worry.
Anyway, Onny no be a chairman who quite did you, okay? Oh, they are here.
Hatred can start like a drop of water. It still will give birth to an ocean. It's like a single mattress.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
How are your parents?
They are fine, sir. As na abalaka na azani. Onye jiji a na-etinye ji na. And ogonogo kwadro no kambede. My name is Ekene John Abogidi, the second son of King Abogidi, the third.
It's well, my son.
I'm the one that wants to marry your daughter.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I know your father very well. I know him very well.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
All right, sir.
Welcome.
Evil advice can destroy a whole nation.
They don't know.
So keep your hands clean, heart so clean, heart and mind.
So we came with these trees.
Oh yeah. You have done well. You have done well. Thank you.
The world is evil. Who is the one behind the evil? The heart of man is full of wickedness. Keep doing good, one day it must pay. Do not look their face, evil doesn't pay.
Do not judge me, how I want to live my life. It's how I will live. Do not judge me now. It's her decision, let her live her life. You won't live with her. Don't be selfish, my friend. Life is what you see, in it you take. Life is what you see, in it you welcome. Only God can decide what will happen now. Don't dictate. Someday you will have your own. Leave me alone, make I get my own. One day it will happen. Just live your life Allow me live my own. Don't dictate, you are not God. Don't dictate. Don't dictate, only Him can dictate.
What is evil? Who is the one behind the evil? The heart of man is full of wickedness. Keep doing good, one day it must pay. Do not look their face, evil doesn't pay.
Do not judge me, how I want to live my life. It's how I will live. Do not judge me now. It's her decision. Let her live her life. You won't live with her. Don't be selfish, my friend. Life is what you see, in it you take. Life is what you see.